with that St. Mary. St. Mary with that. St. Mary with St.
Oh, Miss Debbie, careful, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, careful.
So you know I real country with it. So today, we are going to cook like a bickle. Uncle Murphy, you look like if I give you one time because the breeze strong.
Also, it breeze strong with
Yeah, it breeze strong in a parry for real. So, we don't get no breakfast, so it look like a lunch. Lunch, so. Yeah. Yeah, the workman, them on the shoe kind of hot of the video most of it today, because guess what happened? Him a work through their work. Him run their soccer with Uncle Keen. And Uncle Murphy, they are soccer with the fire.
Yes, I tried to.
Why, parry, me reach back a yard, yeah. Uncle Dad, come let's see the old girl, yeah.
Come on. Water dry out of pot.
Yes. What's on the menu, Cor?
Bully beef and cabbage.
Yeah. What kind of bully beef? Just regular
Jerk bully beef.
Jerk bully beef.
Natural jerk bully beef
and cabbage.
and cabbage.
Yeah.
And what you doing over there?
I am over here. They all know I am stripping the garlic and I'm going to cut out the tomatoes. But this is a big tomatoes.
Uncle Murphy.
Uncle Murphy?
I pour the oil now in the pot.
Oh, yes. This is a cooking tutorial. Preparing jerk bully beef and cabbage. That is, make sure, Parry, you're on this one, okay? Corey, make sure they're on this one because this is a different video. We are preparing jerk bully beef
And cabbage.
and cabbage. And this is where pot must dirt
Right on the wood fire.
and all of that.
Natural jerk bully beef.
Uncle
and cabbage.
Murph,
Yes.
I'm going to rinse off the tomatoes, boy, and them things, and I'm cutting them up for you.
All
So
right.
this tutorial, we have 1, 2, 3 of us cooking. You see?
3 chefs.
Yeah. So this is the Jamaican debbiedebs kitchen train.
Right.
Papa Jesus, make sure so no fall off of this one. Make sure if I find the top no there. Junction fret me, junction fret me, Corey. Junction fret me, junction fret me, junction fret me. So this is how you do it. You cut off these little parts and we throw them right in the dirt right there. Why? Because we have fowl. We have dongle fowl. Right? So we fold and come pick it up and all of that. So I am cutting up this and all of that free and cutting. While show them dad, wide and whistle. The pot, what happened to the pot, Uncle Murphy?
Getting hot.
Talk to him. Yeah.
Pot getting hot over
Yeah,
there.
so we have the freestyle cooking. For parents and knock out up and board and chop up and all them nice. It's Uncle Murphy. No, sir. So we want the pot to hot.
Hot,
Like
hot,
any
hot,
9-day love.
Right.
So when this go down in there, what go happen?
Oh,
What it go?
I tell you, just whistle.
What a tutorial. Cooking tutorial. And the name of the dish is jerk bully beef and cabbage. And all of that. Make sure you know I watch, you know. And but Miss Debbie, please to send me the recipe. This is the recipe. And all of that. Recipe, you need a pot with some wood fire. You need a pot, dirt with some dirt, courtesy of Boshu. You need a little oil in there, not too much. You need 3 cloves of garlic and 1 medium-sized tomatoes.
Well hot.
Yes, you need your knife. Curry, Dad, shoot them up. Shoot them up, Curry. Come. We got the cabbage round there. So we are going to drain the water from the cabbage. And in the next clip, we will be putting in the cabbage. Am I right, Curry?
Yes,
Okay. Curry, pull up the jerky. So I am pulling the bully beef. What are you doing, Curry?
I take out the jerk seasoning through in the pot.
All right. Make sure them are watching the top. But Miss Debbie, could I see the tutorial again? Remember, I know me alone do it, you know, so I now go able. So we don't want the local juice out of the bully beef chopper ground. So we hold it over the pot. And all of that.
All of that. Everything going at the pot.
Yeah. Bully beef thin then.
It's all about the pot, you understand?
So what is that, Corey?
Jerk seasoning.
Okay.
Going into the bully beef.
Okay.
We
Beautiful.
have to mix with the cabbage.
Yes, yes, sir.
But we're looking up, we're putting the bully beef together first.
Yeah. Yeah. We want the little fat
Every
and
ingredient
all
out
of
of
that
the
out of the thing.
Yes, sir.
All the ingredients?
Every ingredient out of the thing.
Ingredients. So, we are mash up the bully beef, no so curry.
Yes, man.
Down in the jerk seasoning.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. And if the fire too high,
You dry.
you dry. Ooh, sir. Upa Jesus, hey, we pot ready.
Yes, sir.
Upa we pot. Upa lad. Hey, shoot them up, Dad. Shoot them up on the pot. Me say bully beef, jerk bully beef, good at it and so. It pretty like a money.
Yeah.
Yes, we have little greasing going on. We have to grease up ourselves when we in the bush, you know.
Yes, sir.
We can't see in the bush dry, so we have to grease up ourselves. Yeah. Yeah, so we are going to make him stay there. Him no want no covering down, we don't want him to steam.
No.
So we are making come together with the jerk seasoning. So in the next clip, the bully beef will be, the cabbage will be in.
Right.
So we are back. So Uncle Murphy, drain it, hold it up and drain him off, Murphy. We don't want too much water. Shake him out. Because if him get too watery, we eat him and drink the juice.
Right.
So Uncle Murphy, put it in the cabbage whilst a bike passing.
Yeah, a bike apart.
Yeah. Drain him the Uncle Murphy. We had him in a little salt water and all of that. Yeah. So remember the name of the dishes? Jerk bully beef and cabbage. So we took out a lick of it, Dad. Dad no love cabbage. So we are going to stir him up here now. We don't come by me now, come every now and then get too soft.
How are you?
How will? How will work?
I do him at all.
In new round here?
Yes.
It look like the jerk bully beef. Aye, so Uncle Dad, show them. Oh, lad, curry.
No.
Stir him up.
No, we mash up.
Tease up the fire.
Yes, sir.
So you got to stir him up to make sure you say yes to the bully beef that in
Yes,
between the cabbage.
Yes, sir.
Things bad, we could have taken one little tin and one small tin with it, but things bad. And do you see? Let me tell you something. This is a serious tutorial, you know. Because the smoke must be burning your eye and you must be looking like this. So, whilst this is simmering, the smoke it's infusing. So this thing is taking in all of the smoke from this wood. Okay, so it's gonna have a smoke jerk flavor. Touch me.
Exactly.
Look at that. So look here. Alright, that you know, family. Come in, parry. We not stir no more because we don't want it to turn. Never and help your water in there run.
You don't want no water run up and down.
Too much water. Next clip. Thumbnail you want him, let's go up on him. Yeah. So this is our finished jerk, bully beef and cabbage and all of that. So see, we got to be here and all of that. So we're going to transfer it from the pot to the basin. So in the next clip, you'll see us enjoying and all of that. So from our Jamaican debbiedebs train kitchen to your family table, to your palate, and most of all to your stomach, it is our jerk, bully beef and cabbage. Please do enjoy.